I was asked to do a color change video for adding your bobbins when we only have one stitch or two stitches in a color. So this isn't a pattern, this is just going to show how to do that. We're going to have 3 stitches on our hook. We're going to need 4. So to do our final stitch in pink, you're going to go under the next 2 vertical bars, yarn over, and pull up a stitch. And this gives you a bit of a diagonal line for your second stitch because you're crocheting 2 together. To add the new bobbin so that it kind of holds it in place more, you're going to go under this diagonal line that we got from going under the second stitch. You're going to reuse that, and you're going to go through the next vertical bar. We're going to grab our new color, and we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull that through those 2 stitches. So our stitch count's going to remain the same. You're using the 2, you're going to crochet 2 together, and then you're going to use the next, that same bar that we used that's on the left if you're right-handed. So now we've gone through these 2 vertical bars to pull this color through. Now, if we only have the 1 stitch, you're going to grab your new color and you're going to go under the second bar to the left, and you're going to go under that one and under the one next to that and add your new color. And then you're going to use this vertical bar again yarn over and pull through. Now our stitch count is exactly the same as it should be. A lot of these tails in the back, I go in and I tighten them. You want to make sure that you tighten your working yarn and you grab your tail, because if you just grab your working yarn and you yank, you're going to pull it out. Done that before. So and then you're going to crochet across until you need your next bobbin, and then you're going to finish your last stitch. You're going to go under 2 of the vertical bars, you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then you're going to go under this vertical bar and the one next to it, and then we would grab the next bobbin and yarn over and pull through, and your stitch count will stay the same. It doesn't matter how many you have, and I tend not to carry. I will move up if I'm going up, like for instance this stitch here, my next, if I have 3, then I will use this same bobbin. If I have this yellow bobbin here and I need yellow over here, I will add a completely new bobbin because it looks terrible on the back and I like to have a very clean back. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.